Okay, here we go. I just got this, this is the poster, just canvas. I just stapled along this one end and then just flattened her all out, stapled across this way, and then pushed it up this way. Didn't stretch it, just kind of flattened it. Okay, so this is what I'm using for my framing. See, it's just some old fence boards. I'm gonna rip 4 of those down right here. This is what I ripped down. I just ripped them down to 3 inches. Now I'm gonna figure out what length I need them to frame that picture out. I'm just gonna 45 them, on each end, so I got a square. It's gonna make a pretty rustic looking frame. Okay, so here I've got my 4 boards cut out of 45. Just gonna lay them like this to frame that all out. And I'm just gonna screw right through and in through the plywood. Screw them right through and into the plywood. And then I'll put all 4 on and go hang this bitch up. Here's how it looks on the back. I use these 1-inch screws, or I think they're like cabinet screws. They're 1 inch. So they pop through just a little bit here. Well, all of them pop through just a little. I'm gonna take a grinder and just grind them down, but you can see that's how she looks framed out. It was simple as crap. Just old fence boards. It's gonna look nice on the wall.